Hi, welcome to this system. It's actually an ArcoLinuxB. It's the Plasma version, and it's the Plasma version where I decided on Calamares not to install any software. So this is the most minimal ArcoLinuxB Plasma you can get. If you want to get more minimal, that's ArcoLinuxD for you. But here in ArcoLinuxB, everything is going to work out of the box. You don't need to figure out anything about Bluetooth and printing and all that. It's going to work. So what is it do you get? So let's go over it. So a lot of the stuff comes again from the desktop itself. So if you type in sudo pacman -s plasma, a lot of stuff comes in, and we just take a look at what would be a minimal kind of plasma, right? So 2 files there. Firefox is because of our choice to have it, and we have simple screen recorder as extra. Just downloaded it. It's not on the ISO, but otherwise I can't make a video, right? And then there are things that we like to have, like AdBlock is interesting to have, a render, normally not necessary here, but it's there. ArcoLinux Tweak Tool, it's not big anyway. So ArcoLinux Tweak Tool is there, the welcome app is there, conkeys are possible, grub customizer is there, and PAMAC is here. We have more stuff, so these are links to our pages. We have conkeys available. We have the dconf editor if we need it available. Normally Plasma wouldn't use it, but there are other applications that do use it that you will install on Plasma later on. So it's there. It's just a help thing. It's not big either. Gparted is there for your desktops, hard disks, SSDs, right? So to partition, to erase and all that. And the same area is the grub customizer. If you're dual booting, sometimes you want to put Windows at the top rather than at the Linux boot first and stuff like that. We have also partitions. So KDE has its own partition manager. I'm quickly gonna check if it's working, and it is working. So good. I have did not forget a particular partition. So this is the minimal one, as you can see, and this is the full one. So I've installed also on the same SSD a second partition, well actually the first partition, right, and this is the second partition, and here we have installed all possible software available on Calamares. So during the Calamares installation you'll get lots and lots of choices, like Zonotic, for instance, 1 GB, Sauerbraten 1 GB, 2 games already give you a download of 2 GB. Or was it an installation? Anyway, it's gonna take a while to install. And all these things are part of the way we work. URXT, VT, USB image, Yakuwake is the F12, which we kind of like and would never put away anymore because we love our F12. And all these things come again. Sometimes they repeat themselves, you see. But everything here looks like, except variety, looks like it's almost coming from Plasma. Now in here I just noticed this here, updates. There are updates available. Okay, fine, update, done. So this is a graphical kind of way. The other way, you know the drill. Update, that's one thing, and up all is another one. Those are the things we use, and that's that. We're gonna have an up-to-date system. This is your minimal Plasma. I'm moving now to the first partition and show you what I've installed on that particular partition.